Hello everyone, myself Samanta. I'm from Kolkata. My last qualification higher secondary, and recently I am pursuing diploma in cabin crew training from APT, Applied Professional Training Pvt.ltd. My hobbies are watching movies and playing indoor outdoor games, and I am a punctual, friendly and flexible person. Thanks. My dream is to be a cabin crew. That's why I am joined this institute. Before that, I would represent my country in defensive area. But failing some exams, I have gone depressed because 3 years preparation for these exams were just falling apart. I was looking for something new to build my career, and then I came to know about the aviation industry. Attracted to the cabin crew there, I started looking for where it was trend. Suddenly I found APT. Thank you Niranjana ma'am, Vidisha ma'am and every trainers for develop my personality, grooming and spoken English. Thank you APT.